Hello students, welcome in my new video of English language grammar. We already started to topic parts of speech. Yes or no? Yes. Can you tell me how many types of parts of speech? 8. Very good. So today we are going to learn about next type of parts of speech. First one is conjunction. What's the definition? Tell us. A conjunction is a word that joins two words, two phrases, or two sentences. I again repeat it, listen carefully. A conjunction is a word that joins two words, two phrases, or two sentences. There is one example is mentioned for us. RV bought a packet of biscuits and a sandwich. RV bought a packet of biscuits and a sandwich. Here underlined word is and it is conjunction. But how it is conjunction? What's the definition? Tell us. A conjunction is a word that joins two words, two phrases, or two sentences. So here biscuit and sandwich, these two words joins with the help of and conjunction. Is that clear? Very good. There are two types of kinds of conjunctions. First one is coordinating conjunction and second is subordinating conjunction. Okay, we will start from first one, coordinating conjunction. These are used to join two or more independent statements of equal rank. Listen carefully. These are means coordinating conjunctions are used to join two or more independent statements of equal rank. Some words like and, but, yet, for, so, either, or, neither, not, else, however, etc. These all words is related to coordinating conjunction. Okay, there are two examples are showing to us. First one we read carefully. Okay, first one is you can play a game or you may watch TV. You can play a game or you may watch TV. So here underlined word is or and it is showing us it is coordinating conjunction. What's the definition? Tell us. Coordinating conjunction are used to join two or more independent statements of equal rank. So here two statements, you can play a game or you may watch TV. So it's joined with the help of or coordinating conjunction. Is that clear? Very good. Now next, walk quickly else you will not get the fast train. Walk quickly else you will not get the fast train. So here also else word is coordinating conjunction because this else word is also joined to more independent statements of equal rank. Yes or no? All of you understood about coordinating conjunction? Yes, very good. Now we'll learn about subordinating conjunction. What's the definition? Tell us. They are used to join two or more dependent statement to an independent statement. They means subordinating conjunctions are used to join two or more dependent statements to an independent statement. Words like what, who, which, why, when, where, whose, whom, whether, if, how, that, so that, such that, than, as, since, because, before, after, until, unless, though, although, etc. These are examples of subordinating conjunctions. Okay, there are two examples are showing to us. We will start from first. What's our first number sentence? Karan lost his watch because he was careless. Karan lost his watch because he was careless. So here because underlined word is a example of subordinating conjunction. It is showing to us it is subordinating conjunction. Why it is? Because our definition tell us they are means subordinating conjunction are used to join two or more dependent statements to an independent statement. Is that clear? So because word is a subordinating conjunction. Next, you may sit wherever you like. You may sit wherever you like. So here wherever word is also tell us it is subordinating conjunction because it is also join more dependent statements, yes or no, to an independent statements. You may sit wherever you like. So here wherever word is a subordinating conjunction. Is that clear? Okay. There are two questions related to conjunction. We will start from notice. What's our notice tell us? Circle the conjunctions and state their kinds. Circle the conjunctions and state their kinds. What's our first number question? When he opened the envelope, he found sheets of paper. So here, when word is showing us, it is conjunction. So we circle to it. And when, what's our second number notice? State their kinds, and it is subordinating conjunction. Okay. Next, Sejal applied for leave, but she was refused it. Sejal applied for leave, but she was refused it. Here, but word is a conjunction. But which conjunction? It is coordinating conjunction. Because coordinating conjunction means, what's our definition? Coordinating conjunction. These are used to join two or more independent statements of equal rank. As it is here, Sejal applied for leave and she was refused it. These two statements, but these two statements join with but. Read carefully. Sejal applied for leave, but she was refused it. So that's why here but word is conjunction and it is coordinating conjunction. Is that clear? Very good. Next, interjection. Interjection is a type of parts of speech. What's the definition tell us? The word that expresses an emotion or some sudden feelings, it's called interjection. The word that expresses an emotion or some sudden feelings, it's called interjection. There are two examples are showing to us. First one is, alas, he is dead. So here underlined word is express some feelings. What's the definition tell us? The words that expresses an emotion. Here also last word is also related to feelings, related to emotions. Yes or no? So it is interjection. Are you understood? Okay. Next, oh God, save us from pollution. Oh God, save us from pollution. So here, oh God is also related to interjection. Are you understood? So here are all parts of speech topic. It's finished. Thank you.